Today our experiment is about the Frank-Hertz experiment. Frank-Hertz experiment क्या है? As from Bohr model, you know that there are according to Bohr model there is a nucleus. Nucleus contains electron and proton and neutron, and electron will be revolve around. There are many orbits and particular orbits, and electron will be revolve around these orbits. Okay. So according to Bohr model, okay, Bohr model, nucleus contains proton and neutron, and electron will be revolving around some specific orbit. Okay, with the formulas as equal to 2n power square. Okay, and n value is 1, 2, 3 up till. Okay, so the number of electron in first shell will be 2, in second shell that will be a 4, and then 8. Okay, and these are the, according to Bohr model, these states are actually according to quantum mechanics, actually according to Bohr model, these are the states where these are defined as a ground state or not excited state. Mean in quantum mechanics, these states are defined as the stationary state. Stationary states mean no energy will be emitted or absorbed, or eigenvalue of all expectation value of all operators will be स्टेशनरी. ठीक है, आपके लिए यदि समझना अभी आपने क्वांटम नहीं पढ़ी तो इस वजह से आपके लिए ये भी नहीं है, तो आप सिर्फ ये समझ सकते हो कि the electron will not emit energy up till they will remain on these ground state. Okay, so no energy will be emitted or absorbed. Okay, and but when electrons move from lower energy, mean ground level ground state to higher state, okay, when electron will jump from lower energy state to higher energy state, then it will absorb the energy, then it will absorb the energy. When electron moves from lower to higher, okay, it is only possible when it will absorb the energy. Okay, when low to high, then it will absorb the energy, and when it moves from higher to low, okay, then it will emit the energy, okay, and absorb, and it in this case that will be emit. Okay, when go from higher to low, then it will be emit. Okay, and when it move from lower to higher, then it will absorb the energy. Okay, and these states, when electron move from lower to higher, these state will be when electron move from lower to higher energy states. Okay, so it will move by absorbing energy in the form of photon. Okay, electromagnetic wave, that is electromagnetic wave. When electron moves from lower to higher energy state by absorbing energy in the form of photon. Okay, energy की form क्या है? Photon. That is electromagnetic wave, and that is equal to, this energy will be always equal to h cut omega. Okay, and this state will be defined as when lower to high. तो this will be a temporary state, ठीक है. इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन इस स्टेट में पहुंच गया तो इसे वापस आना होता है, ठीक है. तो this state is defined as excited state. I mean, this is not normal state. It will be defined as a excited state. Okay. Why it is defined as excited state? Because electron will stay on this state temporarily. Mean for very few time interval. So in this state, that state is defined as excited state, and this will be a temporary. Electron will stay here for a temporary time, and it will come back after few time, very short time. Okay. Okay. So when electron will come back to its ground or stationary state, it will emit the same energy which so it will emit the energy. Okay, not why I am not using the same, because it may be, for example, if electron goes from one state to from first state to third state, then it may be possible it come first and second state, and then the first state, and it is also possible firstly it may directly come to this state. So that is there are two possibilities. Okay, so there electron may come using the different steps. They may become directly or by stepwise. Okay, so it will emit the energy in the form of photon or electromagnetic wave. So in that case, it's also emitted in the form of the electromagnetic wave. Got it? So, but these energies levels are discrete. Means there is some difference. Electron can't stay between these two states. Okay, it is not possible according to Bohr model. Electron can't stay between these two these two states. They can move from one state to other state. They can't live between two states. Okay, they can't stay between two states. Okay. Actually, that is your question is a very good, because actually the quantum mechanics state that electron never jump. Okay, but they they move from here to here without jumping, but actually like a pair annihilation and pair creation type phenomena, they will be disappeared and then that will be appeared on that. But that is the quantum phenomena. But at your stage, you are unaware about the quantum mechanics. That's why I have not explained. But actually, there will be some phenomena will be happen like that is phenomena is defined as a vacuum loop, and you may say that that is like a pair annihilation and pair creation continuously happening between these. Okay, so that will be disappear, electron will be disappear, and then it will be appear. Electron is a totally different thing. Okay, so so actually the electron, actually according to this topic, according to your scope, it is only that the electron can never stay between these. It will jump from lower to higher or higher to firstly, it will emit, will absorb the energy, and it will move from lower state to higher state. Okay, and when and then after passes some time, it will come back to this. Okay. Secondly, these energy levels are discrete. Okay, and these are not continuous because there is some. These are only the possibility. So there, these value will be like a discrete values. Okay, and like E equal to n square E naught ground level, and then you get different energy level. Okay, okay. To prove this, how we experimentally we may prove it. That experiment is defined as a Frank-Hertz experiment. Today we will perform this experiment. Okay, how this experiment will be performed. Firstly, you must know what is the elastic collision and what is the inelastic collision before to understand this. What is the elastic collision? Yes, if the kinetic energy is conserved, if kinetic energy total kinetic energy remain conserved, then that will be defined as the elastic collision. If the total energy is kinetic energy is not conserved, but it is converting into different energy, then that phenomena will be defined as inelastic collision. Okay. Acha, so E1 minus, that is delta E. Okay, E2 minus E1, that will be that delta E, that is will be H cut and H cut omega. Okay, so the difference between आप इसी को विशक रहने दो कि मेन जो दो एनर्जी का डिफरेंस है वो H cut omega. Yes, I will explain. H cut is Planck's constant. That is H cut means this. If we divide Planck's constant with 2 pi, that will be defined as H cut. Okay. Yeah, that is also defined as a H bar. Okay. H cut or H bar. Okay. And now what is this? This is I have already explained. This is frequency of wave, okay, or photon, whatever you know. Okay, so these are the discrete, mean that is multiple of the n number. Okay, so means that will be the difference. Okay, so now this is all about the what is the experiment, what is the Bohr model. Now the question is, what is the Frank-Hertz model? Okay. Actually, this is vacuum tube, okay, and in this tube is filled with very low pressure of the mercury, Hg. Hg, that is mercury. Okay. So this gas chamber, this tube is filled with the at very low pressure with the mercury, and mercury's atomic what is the mercury Mercury number of atomic number is 80, and 200, I think 54 is the atomic weight of that. Okay, atomic number means number of electron or proton, and atomic weight means total number of proton and neutron. Okay, so these are the mercury atom, or this is filled with the mercury. Okay, got it? How this experiment was performed? This there is a grid. Okay. Okay, this is as you know that this is a filament, that's as we have done in the photoelectric effect. Okay, this will produce the electron. Okay, this potential we will provide this potential, and due to this potential, this heat filament will produce the number of electrons. Okay, so that electron will be surrounded. Okay, and okay. 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 So electron will be gathered. Okay. So these electron will be okay. So three potential will be provided. Okay. Number one, this is the voltage to produce the voltage between these. Okay, so that electron will be and this is grid that will be have a this grid is a positive charge. This will be negative, and so this. So what will be happen? Electron will be move. When we increase the voltage, so there is a, for example, this is the voltage between filament and this is defined as cathode. Okay, grid 1. Okay, this is grid G1. This will be defined. This voltage will be defined as between the filament and grid 2. Okay, and this voltage will be between the grid and anode. Okay, anode. Okay, so electron will produce and will start when we provide the potential. Okay, electron due to this positive, electron will be accelerated because electron has a negative charge. It will be attracted toward the positive charge. Okay, so electron will be attracted toward this. Okay, if the energy is not sufficient, then electron will not move. Okay, but if we have a sufficient energy, then electron will move from this filament to this grid to this grid, okay, due to positive, okay. So in this way electron will start move, okay. And all these has a negative, some are going upward in different direction, okay, but finally they will reach on this grid, okay, if that has enough energy, okay. So but here we are providing this minus, okay, small retarding potential. Retarding potential mean electron को stop कर रहे हैं, यानी they will this plate will be repel the electron, okay. So what will be happen? Electron starting moving from here to here, okay. यहाँ हम जो है एक एम्पियर मीटर लगा देंगे, मिली एम्पियर मीटर और एम्पियर मीटर, okay. That will be measure the current, okay. Okay, what will happen? Electron is attractive toward this, and that's a grid that has the positive charge. That's why this will be attract these electron, because electron has a negative charge. So all electron will be attractive toward this grid, and due to as we increase the potential, the electron energy will be increased. Electron will have energy is equal to E will be equal to what will be the energy, as I have already explained, electron charge multiplied with potential difference, that is Fg2. How much we provide the acceleration, it will be converted into the kinetic energy of electron, and this is the kinetic energy of electron, okay. Okay, when electron will be reached here, if that has enough energy, they will face this retarding potential. But if the energy of electron, if this energy of electron, okay, is greater than retarding potential, okay, that is equal to EVGA, okay. If this potential, mean this is a retarding potential, means they will try to stop the electron. But if the electron energy is greater then electron will pass through, and that will be absorbed here, okay. Got it? अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी ज्यादा है तो वो इस यहाँ रुकेंगे नहीं और यहाँ तक पहुंच जाएंगे, ठीक है, और यहाँ से ये जब यहाँ से फ्लो करेंगे तो करंट फ्लो होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? ठीक है. सो इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी इज ग्रेटर देन रिटार्डिंग एनर्जी, ओके, जो उन्हें रोक रही है, तो देन द इलेक्ट्रॉन विल get enough energy to reach this anode, okay, and the current will start to flow on these in this instrument, okay. But if this energy is low, then electron will be not collected here, okay. Got it? Yes, that will be stopped there. Actually, quantum mechanics is totally different, but for classically you may assume that that will be stopped and that will be not reached. According to quantum mechanics, electron will be not start moving if they are not receive the required energy. Okay, they will start motion when they acquire the energy. ठीक है, required energy. ठीक है, जो भी मिनिमम एनर्जी है तब तक क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में है, जब तक इलेक्ट्रॉन उतनी एनर्जी नहीं लेता तो वो मूव नहीं करता. लेकिन ये बातें अभी आपके लिए समझते इसलिए मुश्किल होंगी क्योंकि क्वांटम आपने पढ़ी नहीं हुई. हम सिंपल ये कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन वहां तो नहीं पहुंच सकेंगे अगर उनकी एनर्जी नहीं है. क्वांटम मैकेनिकली पिक्चर इज टोटली डिफरेंट. इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नॉट लाइक अ सिंपल क्लासिकल पार्टिकल कि वो जो है ना उसको जैसे हम रास्ते में थक जाए तो हम रुक जाते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन का ऐसा नहीं है. इलेक्ट्रॉन हम रुक, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन का ऐसा नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉन सफर भी नहीं स्टार्ट करेगा। वो क्यों है, वो सारा कुछ आपको इंशाल्लाह ताला व्हेन यू विल स्टडी द क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स आई विल बी एक्सप्लेन। या आप बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट हो तो मेरे क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के लेक्चर्स पड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है, आर अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब, ओके। बट फॉर टाइमिंग यू मे अंडरस्टैंड कि इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज एनर्जी ग्रेटर देन दीज रिटार्डिंग एनर्जी, देन इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी रीच देयर, ओके। अच्छा, okay, so electron, but these are the for elastic cooling between electron and Hg, mercury, molecule. So this is only the for the elastic collision. Elastic collision mean, what is the elastic collision? As you know that the kinetic energy, there is no change in a kinetic energy. The kinetic energy mean energy will be not. Why this is the? I explain it. Okay, so if electron has enough energy, then electron will reach on this, okay, this plate, okay. If that has not enough energy, less than energy, they will remain the and no current will be flow, okay. Okay, and but this is only for the and this formula is true for the if there is elastic collision. Why elastic collision? Because when electron will be start moving from this limit to this grid, but there is they will face the Hg, helium, mercury atoms. Okay, so that means they will collide with them. Okay, and they will, if they are elastic collision, then kinetic energy will become no effect will be appear. Okay, so they will not lose the energy and they will reach there. But if there is, when it will be happen. नहीं, हाँ, ये दोनों टकराए हैं तो ये इलास्टिक कोलिजन हुई है, ठीक है। और इलास्टिक कोलिजन हुई है तो एनर्जी में इलास्टिक kinetic energy में there will be no change in kinetic energy of electron. If there is no change in the kinetic energy of electron, it means because mercury atom are very heavy, if there is no change in velocity of electron and energy of electron, they will reach exactly they will reach the anode with the same energy they have. Okay. Okay, but if there is inelastic collision, they will lose the energy. Why? How the inelastic collision will be occur and why they will lose energy, I will explain now. Okay. So, in case of elastic collision, they will reach here if their energy is greater than. Okay, but if there is inelastic collision, then electron will lose some energy by transforming it to Hg, mercury. Okay. If electron is transforming some energy to, then it will be lose some energy and the voltage and their energy will be dropped. And energy will be dropped, then current will be become a small. In elastic collision, okay, when the potential is in elastic collision, this is elastic collision. Okay, for elastic collision, as we increase Fg2 for elastic cooling, as we increase Fg2 voltage, okay, as we increase Fg voltage, ठीक है, Fg in elastic cooling, as we increase the Fg2 voltage, as we increase the voltage, current will be increased because electron will be get more and more and more energy. Okay. For elastic cooling, as we increase Fg2 voltage, electron will acquire more and more energy. As we increase the voltage, energy will be, because acceleration will be increased and the electron will get more and more energy. Okay. So current will be increased. So current will be increased linearly. Okay. So current will be increased. That is proportionally. As we increase the current, as we increase the voltage, current will be increased proportionally. Okay, got it. So, but in elastic cooling, this is case for inelastic cooling, the case is different, because for inelastic cooling, electron will lose some energy by passing it to Hg molecule. Okay, atoms. When they collide, they will transfer some energy to the mercury atom, and due to transferring this mercury atom, they will lose some energy. When they will lose some energy, then the energy of electron will be dropped, and they will not get enough energy to reach this. So that the number, so current will be decreased. Okay, so we are increasing the potential. Okay, we are increasing the potential. Okay, but if there is elastic cooling, when we increase the potential, the electron get more and more energy and will reach the anode, and the current will be start to flow, and current will be increased. But if there is inelastic cooling, increasing the voltage, if we increase the voltage, but the electron means in starting electron, ये भी मैं आपको explain करूँगा कि starting में electron जो elastic collision होगी, तो आपके electron की energy क्या है वो बढ़ रही है, ठीक है? When electron reach at some specific value, ठीक है? Electron energy reach to specific value, then there will be inelastic collision. When there will be inelastic collision, then electron will transfer some energy to mercury atom, and the electron mercury atom, and then they will lose the energy, and even we are increasing the potential, the current will be start to decrease. Okay? And as when why this will be happening, I explain it. Okay, so if we increase if inelastic, then they lose some energy to transfer it to the Hg. Okay, so ओके, चलो मैं आपको देता हूँ, ठीक है? आपके पास रिकॉर्डिंग तो है. ओके, सो अब क्या हुआ, होता क्या है? Mercury is the outermost shell Actually, atomic number is 80. Okay, its atomic number is 80. So number of electron will be 80. Atomic number means number of electrons. Yes. So if I these are the shells, okay. This is the number K. Six. In first cell, electron is 2. Okay. In first cell, electron is 2, according to n square, according to formula 2 n square. Okay. In the second cell, number of electron is 2. P is 6. Okay. P shell has 6. So in 2, 6, 2. If we consider n is 1 square, that will be 2. Total number of electron will be 2. If there is a 2 to 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 6 plus 2, 8. If we 3 raised to power 2, 9. 9 multiplied by 2, 18. Sorry, 10, 6 to 18. Okay. And in number of 4, 4 multiplied by 4, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, that will be a 32. So the number of electron will be 2, 6, 10, 4, 32. ठीक है, ठीक है. और बाकी कितने रह गए टोटल? 2, 6, 10 and then that will be a 2. Okay. ये कितने बने? 26, 16, 17, 18. This is 18 and that will be 2. And I think total will be 80. Okay. So these are the number of these are the so valence means outermost shell electron. Valence electrons are that are not filled. That are the valence, because these shells is not filled. Okay, so the valence electron is 5 D that have 10 and 6 5d10 and 6 6s2. Okay, that are the valence electron. Okay, this shell is also not completed according to formula of this. Okay, and this shell is also not completed. So the valence, the number of these are the field, these are the field. So this these are the valence. I mean, this shell is valence, and this mean that is not field. Okay, so these are the. Now, what happened when in Frank-Hertz experiment instrument, electron move and collide with the mercury atom. Okay, and we increase the potential. Okay, if they have no enough energy is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, that is equal to NH cut omega. जब तक वो इसके बराबर नहीं है, the electron will be not absorbed and they will not transfer the energy, and the collision will be like a elastic collision. ओके, इलास्टिक. मैं फिर बताता हूं. इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इफ कोलाइडिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके, मैं जरा लफ्ज ज्यादा ताकि, इफ कोलाइडिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज नॉट एनर्जी multiple of NH cut omega, that is the energy difference. अगर इसके मल्टीपल नहीं है, then अच्छा, जब बराबर नहीं होगी इस डिफरेंस के, तो they will not transfer the energy. और इलेक्ट्रॉन लोअर एनर्जी से, मैंने कहा तो उसे उतनी ही एनर्जी चाहिए, एक लोअर एनर्जी से हायर एनर्जी. अगर वो एनर्जी उस एनर्जी के डिफरेंस के बराबर होगी, देन ये ना मर्करी एटम का जो मर्करी एटम के इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो एक्साइटिंग स्टेट पे जाएंगे. ठीक है. और अगर नहीं है, इफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज नॉट एनर्जी मल्टीपल ऑफ दिस, देन दे विल not excite the electrons of Hg. तो तब वो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है मरकरी एटम की इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्साइट नहीं करेंगे. इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्साइट करने के लिए उनकी एनर्जी क्या होनी चाहिए? मल्टीपल होनी चाहिए. तो जब तक एक्साइट नहीं करेंगे, द कोलिजन विल बी, क्योंकि एक्साइट नहीं करेंगे तो एनर्जी अब्सॉर्ब नहीं हो रही उसमें, क्या कहते हैं, मर्करी में एटम में. ठीक है. When colliding electron has not energy multiple of NH cut, then they will not excite the electrons of Hg. Okay. So collision will be इलास्टिक. इसे वन कर लो. ठीक है. इलास्टिक. तो कोलिजन क्या होगी? इलास्टिक. व्हाट इज मीनिंग? करंट विल इंक्रीज्ड एज वोल्टेज increased. Okay, got it? सही है. Secondly, when it is multiple, as we increasing the current, okay, when electron get multiple of H cut omega, okay, then it will transform its some energy. Okay, sorry, multiple not. ठहरो एक मिनट, क्या हुआ है? When electron collider has not energy, थोड़ी ठहरो, has not, नहीं आएगा, एक मिनट, एनर्जी when colliding electron has, चलो लेस एनर्जी, सॉरी मैं गलत कर दिया था, ठीक है, एनर्जी मल्टीपल रहने दो, कम उसके बराबर भी आएगी, थोड़ी सी ज्यादा भी आएगी तो कुछ एनर्जी ट्रांसफर करेगा. When colliding electron has less energy than h cut omega, okay, then they will not excite the electron of the edge, so collision will be elastic. When electron get energy equal or greater than they will transform, energy h cut omega to excite the electron of Hg. ठीक है, तो they will transfer energy to Hg electron to excite them. Okay, so current will decrease. Okay, okay. एक मिनट, ये कंप्लीट. ओके, सो अब क्या होगा, जैसे जैसे हम इलेक्ट्रॉन की when we are increasing the voltage, the current will be increased, but when it reach the h cut omega energy, okay, then or greater than energy, then energy will be decreased because they will be start to transfer the energy and they will not reach at a node. Okay, third, as we increase the voltage again, as we increase the voltage further, then what will be happen? Some electron will be lose energy and some will not lose. So then some electron will lose, but some not, and current will be start increasing again. Okay, then current will be start increasing again because some are losing, but some, because number of electrons are increasing and their energy is increasing, they will be transformed. Okay, no, some नहीं लिखना चाहिए. As we increase the further voltage, then energy of electron will be, and electron will be increased. Okay, so after transforming the energy, they will have some energy. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे आप उस वोल्टेज से आप ज्यादा बढ़ा रहे हैं तो अब दोबारा उनकी वोल्टेज जो है वो क्या, करंट की एनर्जी बढ़ती जा रही है. ठीक है, as we increase the voltage further, then electron will get more energy. ओके, जैसे जैसे हम दोबारा फर्दर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी बढ़ती जाएगी. इवन losing of some energy due to inelastic collision. इनइलास्टिक कोलिजन की वजह से कुछ एनर्जी लूज हुई, लेकिन क्योंकि आप वोल्टेज कंटिन्यूस घुमा रहे हैं तो दोबारा करंट क्या करना शुरू हो जाएगी। हाँ, सो करंट विल start increasing again. Okay, fourth क्या होगा, then it get more energy जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज होती जा रही है और फिर उसके कोई मल्टीपल क्या आ रही है, तो तब अब पहले एक इलेक्ट्रॉन अगर एक्साइट हो रहा था, एक मरकरी एटम हो रहा था, अब दो हो जाएंगे, तो इस तरह ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है एनर्जी जो है वो लूज करना शुरू कर देंगे, फिर एक दफा करंट जो है वो क्या हो जाएगी, डिक्रीज होगी। बट एज इट गेन एनर्जी फॉर एनर्जी equal to excited energy of Hg, then current will drop then current will be drop suddenly, दोबारा drop हो जाए। So and so all steps will be repeated same way. Okay. Finally, what will be happen if you increase the current too much? Okay, voltage इतनी ज्यादा हो जाए कि इलेक्ट्रॉन बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी कर ले। 6. Finally, if electron get enough energy to kick out the valence electron of Mercury. If electron get too much energy, आप voltage continuously बढ़ाते जा रहे हो, ठीक है? Then electron will get more energy and more energy. If electron get too much energy that it kick out the electron. पहले तो अब एक एनर्जी ग्राउंड से हाई पे लेके जा रहा था, लेकिन वो तो एक स्मॉल अमाउंट एनर्जी थी, लेकिन अगर एनर्जी इतनी ज्यादा हो जाए कि वो किक आउट ही करते तो क्या कहते हैं, इसे आयोनाइजेशन कहते हैं, ठीक है ना, ठीक है। मीन the Hg then saturated current will be produced. मीन सैचुरेटेड मीन बहुत ज्यादा करंट प्रोड्यूस हो जाएगी, ठीक है, और सैचुरेटेड करंट होगी तो देन इंस्ट्रूमेंट में भी मतलब खराब हो सकता है, तो यू मस्ट बी स्विच ऑफ इमीडिएटली। इन दिस केस you must be switched off apparatus because it will damage your apparatus. because it may be damage your apparatus. So in that case, it may be a damage your apparatus. So आपको फौरी तौर पे apparatus यानी saturated करंट तक नहीं लेके जाने देना. ओके हाँ जी, ठीक है. एक उस तक कोशिश करो ना ही लेके जाओ, ठीक है, ताकि ये बैठा हुआ है ऑपरेटर खराब हो गया ना. चलो ठीक है, वो देख लेंगे. अच्छा, अगर हम मतलब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा, अगर हम बस एक मिनट, इफ वी ड्रा द ग्राफ बिटवीन करंट, ठीक है, ठीक है, माइक्रो एम्पियर में कर लो या ठीक है, और अगर हम करंट और वोल्टेज के दरमियान ग्राफ ड्रा करें, तो एज आई हैव already explained, it will linearly increase, ठीक है. As we increase the voltage, current will be increased, directly proportional. But after reaching the this specific value, that is multiple h cut omega, okay, it will be decreased, okay, and then it will be increased further because now the energy is increased, and this will be this. Such like a graph you will be appear, okay, इस तरह का ग्राफ बनेगा. और ये जो इनका जो डिफरेंस है, that will be give you the information about the voltage. So this like this graph will be appear, okay. समझ आ गई? ये इंक्रीज हुआ, फिर डिक्रीज, फिर इंक्रीज, फिर सडनली जब it will reach on this value this, and then this will be this and this drop. So in this way, this will be furtherly, okay. So नहीं, ये ऐसे ही बढ़ता जाएगा, ठीक है, और एक हद आएगी तो ये इंफिनिटी को यानी सैचुरेटेड करंट आ जाएगा, ठीक है, और उस वक्त आपने स्विच ऑफ, किसी सूरत में उस तक नहीं, कोशिश करनी है वहां तक ना जाना, ठीक है, समझ आ गई है. सो दिस विल बी लाइक, और ये जो आपका डिफरेंस है, ये आपको वो, आप इन दोनों का डिफरेंस देखोगे तो ये कांस्टेंट आएंगे, ठीक है. ये डिफरेंस, एक तरीका ये है कि आप इनिशियल वोल्टेज मेजर करो, ठीक है, और उसके डिफरेंस को डिवाइड कर दो नंबर पीक्स को. इस तरीके से जो है हम ग्राफ की मदद से जो है हम ये फाइंड कर रहे हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो डिस्क्रीट है, यानी इस यहाँ से यहाँ तक, क्योंकि एनर्जी जब तक उससे मल्टीपल नहीं होगी कोई एनर्जी लूज नहीं करेगी, इनइलास्टिक नहीं होगी, और नो इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी एक्साइटेड. बट एज इट विल रीच ऑन दिस पीक वैल्यू, द इलेक्ट्रॉन critical voltage, then the critical energy, then electron will be transformed the energy to mercury atom, and the current will be dropped, okay, and as it will be increase and then drop and increase and drop, okay. And if we will find this difference, okay, got it. So these are the theory about this experiment. Now we may perform this experiment.